Surface area and volume of rectangular prisms. A rectangular prism is exactly as it sounds. It's a rectangular box, but it's a three-dimensional shape. So when we talk about prisms, we're talking about three-dimensional shapes. Rectangular is like the shape of an aquarium or a vat, okay? So let's pretend this is an aquarium and we want to wrap the aquarium in tint. When you want to wrap a prism, that's called your surface area, your total surface area. It's like you were wrapping a present. You want to take all the faces and how much there are. So when they do this, they have the formula surface area equals 2 times the width times the length plus 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the width times the height. What they do is they take the sides, they take the top and bottom, and they take the ends. And that's where they get their three amounts. Now, on the diagram, they give us 3 amounts. The 8 is going to be our length because that's the longest side. This would be the width because the 4 is definitely the height. It's the up-down amount. So now, knowing that, plug them into your formula. Surface area equals 2 times 5 times length is 8 plus 2 times 8 times 4 plus 2 times the width is 5 and the height is 4. So 2 times 5 times 4. If you plug this all in on your calculator exactly as it shows, it will do the work for you. So 2 times 5 times 8 plus 2 times 8 times 4 plus 2 times 5 times 4. When I do that, I get a surface area equaling 184 units. Now, units, because this is a three-dimensional shape, but we're only talking the area, this would be, if it was inches, it would still be inches squared because you're wrapping the box. Area is always squared. The volume of a rectangular prism is very simple and straightforward. Volume equals the length times the width times the height. And when we're talking volume, we're talking about how much can that aquarium hold, how much water can it hold. Okay, so the length times the width times the height. We already labeled, so volume equals, the length was 8, the width was 5, the height is 4, 8 times 5 times 4, plug it in on your calculator, 8 times 5 times 4 equals 160. Again, if it's inches, in this case it would be inches cubed because we want what fills it. It would be a three-dimensional shape. So this would be 160 cubic inches. And that is how you find surface area and volume of a rectangular prism.